Recording started. Now, is this slide is visible? Linear equations in two variables? Yeah. Now, please. Now, turn off your mics. Your only if you seek the permission, that is by raising hand, then only you will be allowed to like respond. Till then, you put emojis. That's excellent. That's good. Not speaking. Okay. First 20 minutes, let's not speak much. Okay. Since it is getting recorded. Then coming to the continuation of the exercise 4.2. This is part 5. We will continue since we solved up to maybe the question number 3rd and sub question maybe 6th. Till then we solved in our previous part 4. So continuation of the exercise 4.2, and later we will learn a new concept called graph of a linear equation in two variables. It's very, very important concept. Coming to the sub question 3rd. Till then we solved. Now we are solving sub question 4th. Yesterday it just started, but due to power failure, it went off. Now, see what we do here. Here, check which of the following are the solutions for this equation. So, if I want to check, substitute root 2 comma 4 times root 2 in x minus 2y equals to 4. Now, LHS of that equation is x minus 2y. In that, if I substitute root 2 minus 2 times of 4 root 2, because x value is root 2, 4 root 2 is y value. If I substitute there, root 2 minus 2 into 4 is 8 root 2, and it's like a minus 8a. I said yesterday, it looks like, if I consider root 2 as a minus 8a, it looks similarly. Now, a minus 8a is done from 8a, 1a is away, taken away, because it is a difference. And 7 comes 7a, and since negative term is more, its sign is given. So, minus 7a. Similarly here, minus 7 times of root 2, because a is root 2. By assuming we have done that. So, this is the answer. This is RHS? It is not RHS. Thus, LHS not equals to RHS implicates, or it gives a result that root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not the solution. Is not the solution. Is not the solution of the given equation. Okay, of the given linear equation x minus 2y equals to 4. So this is how we write it, we solve it. See children, this is there for objective type. So think how to do, and you need not write all these things in exam. You are supposed to think like this. That's what you have to understand. Then moving on to the 5th question. In the 5th question, just same, substitute. So when you substitute 1 comma 1 in the linear equation x minus 2y equals to 4, LHS we are taking, that is x minus 2y. In that you are substituting 1 minus 2 times of 1. 1 minus 2 times of 1 is 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1, which is not equals to RHS. So what do you conclude now? Similarly, therefore, LHS not equals to RHS, and therefore 1 comma 1 is not the solution. is not the solution of the equation x minus 2y equals to 4. This is how we solve. Okay. So this is the third question having 5 sub questions in it. Then moving on to the last question of the exercise 4.2, that is fourth question. Find the value of k if x is 2 and y is 1 is a solution of this equation. He already said this x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is a solution of this equation. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 1.
K is equal to 7.
Yes. Is the solution of 2x plus 3y equals to k. Therefore, 2 comma 1 satisfies the linear equation 2x plus 3y equals to k. 2x plus 3y, that equation gets satisfied by this. Thus, 2 of 2 plus 3 of 1 equals to k. When you substitute 2 comma 1 in that should be making LHS equals to RHS. LHS is this 2 of 2 plus 3 of 1 when it is substituted equal to RHS is k. So these two are equal since it is getting satisfied. So 4 plus 3 equals to k. Thus k equals to 7. If you have understood, put a thumbs up.
Sir, I not understand.
Yeah. Sampath, here he said, see, in the previous questions, we were checking whether 1 comma 1 is a solution of this equation or not. How did we check? By substituting.
Yes.
When I substitute 1 comma 1 in the linear equation, if the LHS value, whatever I get, is equals to RHS value. RHS value is 4. If they are
Yes, sir.
equal, then only we used to say that substituted
LHS.
point is the solution. If it is not equal, then we used to say it is not the solution. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, similarly, here, since he's already saying that it is a solution, he has already said. What he has already said? X equals to 2, y equals to 1 is a solution of this equation. He has already said. That means when I substitute x as 2 and y as 1 in this equation, should make left hand side equals to right hand side. Here, left hand side is 2x plus 3y. On substitution of 2 comma 1 becomes 7, and right hand side is k, and that should be equal. Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is one of the important question and simple concept. Just to substitute the point which is the solution of that equation, you will get automatically unknown. Okay, unknown is a k there. Yeah. Now, so with this we have completed exercise 4.2. Now our new concept, graph of a linear equation in two variables starts. Okay. So far, if you understood, you can thumbs up. That's good. That's good. Fine. Fine. Let's start. What is graph of a linear equation in two variables? See, children, very important. You know how to find the solutions of a given linear equation in two variables. And you know that solutions of a linear equation in two variable will be a pair of numbers which satisfy the given equation. And you know that there are infinitely many number of solutions for a linear equation in two variable. It is not one, it is not unique. Linear equation in two variables will have infinitely many number of solutions. And by substituting one number to one of the variable will give the value for the other variable. By that we get one solution, and such a way we substitute different values for different variables and reap the definitely many solutions. Now all those solutions shown on a Cartesian plane, there we are interlinking. Here is the link between algebra, solutions of a linear equation into variable, to the points on a Cartesian plane. So to the geometry, it interlinks. Here, so far you have obtained the solutions of a linear equation in two variables algebraically. Now, let us look at their geometric representation. You know that each linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. How can we show them in the coordinate plane or on the Cartesian plane? This is the work what we are going to do it. Okay, so here I have taken linear equation in two variable x plus 2y equals to 6. Now everyone draw a table containing minimum 4 points in it.
Sir, you can show previous one. I take screenshots.
Okay, here is the screenshot you can take.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now let's move on. Children. Now all of you draw a table. How we will find the solutions? You know, you find minimum 4 solutions for it. Do it. Everyone should do it. Everyone should do it. Everyone should do it. Okay. No, I'm not asking you to do it on the screen. I'm declining Akshay. I have done this. I have done this. I got 0, 3.
Sir,
6,
on
0.
Cartesian plane, we should represent the points as x coordinate as 0 and y
Yes.
coordinate as 3,
Yes.
like that with 2 points.
Yes. You know, this 0, 3, which is a solution, can be written as an ordered pair. Okay, x equals to 0 and y equals to 3 can be written as an ordered pair 0, 3. And you know how to represent that on a Cartesian plane.
Sir, if all the points are collinear, then it is linear equation, and if
Definitely, it
collinear,
must be
they
a
are not linear.
collinear. All these points must be collinear. Then only we have drawn correctly and we found solutions correctly. If anyone does mistake in finding solution, automatically that point will not lie on that straight line, will not be collinear. Okay. 2 points are enough to draw a straight line, but I'm asking you to find 4 so that you rectify your and check your correctness. Rectify your answers. Checking your answers is done by finding 1 or 2 more points along with the 2 more points. Okay, 2 points are enough to draw a straight line. Have you found? Okay, I'll ask you, Akash, which one other than these 4 you found? Akash Gote.
Yes, sir.
Which one you found other than these 4 points?
Still, I am finding, sir.
Okay, I want other than these 4 any new one. Let us see how quickly you will do.
So can I?
Virupana, very good. Tell me, Virupana.
X is equal to 1, sir. Y is equal to 2.5.
X equals to 1 and y equals to 2.5. Very good, Virupana. Perfect. Perfect.
X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 by 2.
Sanket, x equals
Yes.
to 3
3.
and y equals to
3 by 2.
1 by 2. Is it 1 by 2 or 1.5?
Y is equal to 1 by 2.
1.5, sir. I also done the
Not
same.
1 by 2.
Shall I tell, sir?
3 plus 2y equals to 6. 2y equals to 6 minus 3. 2y
There will come
equals
a
to
3 by
3.
2, sir. So
Yeah,
it will be
y equals to
1.5.
3 by 2, which is 1.5.
1.5.
Not 1 by
1.5,
2.
sir.
Yes,
Can I
yes.
tell another solution?
Sir, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1 by 2.
Yeah, Sushant. Okay.
Sir, x
Sir,
is
can I
equal to
tell?
8.
हाँ
X is equal to 8 and Y is
1
equal to
minute.
minus 1.
Bharat Mekkalki is there? Is it
No,
Bharat SH is Bharat Mekkalki? No, no.
No, sir.
Bharat Mekkalki is not attending classes. Okay. Ah, see, there is
Sir, can I tell one solution?
1 minute, Bharat, 1 minute, Chandru. See, what I am looking for, see, there were 69 members. And out of 98 cadets, 2/3 are not attending. I mean, 2/3 are attending, maybe 1/3 are not attending. Sometimes even half are not attending due to technical issues. I understand that. But if I see the number of people watching the video, again there it is 8 to 10, somewhere around 20 below only. That means some children are not attending classes. And I request you here, children, if you do not attend, you will not understand. If you do not watch video, at least if you are not able to attend the video, I mean not able to attend the class and not able to watch the video, then you will not able to understand that concepts. And obviously we have just scoring marks by the help of somebody will not be sufficient for you. Okay, I want amongst you.
Sir,
Sir,
you can explain
do
how
not-
to do, sir, once again.
Sir, x is equal to 10, then y will be minus 2.
Yes, correct. You are right.
Sir.
Sir,
Sir,
X is
if-
equal to
X is
5
equal to
and
X
Y is
is
equal to
minus 1
0.5.
and Y is
Correct,
equal
correct. See, there are so many that you can find, right? Infinitely many you can find.
X
Akash,
is equal to 8 and Y
Akash,
is equal
X
to
is equal
minus
to
1.
5 and Y is equal to 0.5.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Akash,
sir,
Akash Gote, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, feel comfortable. You are the only boy who is like day scholar. Sonam is one more day scholar. And I think Pritam is there in our campus only. These three, you are there in the campus. Okay, if you have any doubts, do come and ask me anytime and see that it's possible to like make your concepts clear. Okay, and amongst you again, all who are attending classes, please do not copy and do not allow others to copy by giving your answers. Okay, is it clear to you, children?
yes, sir.
Please do not allow
Sir.
others to copy by giving your answers. Why? Because it is going to make them score, but not make them learn. And they themselves will suffer. You are making one to suffer, but you are pushing him to problems. Okay, please don't let him get less marks. Let him learn. You teach him. If you find time, you teach him. No problem. You teach him correct answers at his ease. Okay. Please do not allow them to copy. That's only a request from my side. Here, how to represent them on a Cartesian plane. You know Cartesian plane? Drawing it from coordinate geometry, it is clear. Do you know how to represent 0.3 on a Cartesian plane?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Girija Shankar, I request you, child, you have sent only one paper in the PT1. Okay. You are, if you have problem, please call me personally and ask any help that you want. Okay. Don't score less marks, Girija. You scored very well in 8th standard. Okay. I have a lot of faith on you. You are definitely good at maths. You will definitely do well. Okay. You are capable of that. Okay, if you have any personal problems, any issues with the network and all content and all, you can call me up and let's see. Okay, what is possible? Let us help. Nikhil, Sonat, Nikhil, are you there? Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
Nikhil, you have asked me about trigonometric ratios, right? Of class 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
right?
yes, sir.
Yeah, and see, child, trigonometric ratios, if I want to teach you, you should know a simple concept called Pythagoras theorem, and you should know
Ye-
right angle triangle and Pythagorean triplets.
Yes, sir.
This entire trigonometry of class 10th bases on that right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem only. And
Yes, sir, and that sine, cos, theta, and others also.
yes, Sushant. See,
Yes, sir.
Sushant, if you are learning these concepts for maybe for the any
Sir.
other reasons, such as preparing well for the UPSC and other entrance exams, that's good. Okay, and he has requested. So Nikhil has requested from my side some time, personal time, and here I have got definitely 2-3 responsibilities, and you could watch backside my organizer, my timetable, my work. Okay, based on my frame, I'll definitely fall back to you. I will message, I will tell you.
Yes.
I will be
Okay.
explaining the concepts. Okay, yeah. Let's move on
Sir,
to
I have
this
asked
work. Nikhil.
I have asked my father and he has told me, sir, but I still did not understand how those values come for like 30 degrees, how that value will come and all those things.
Okay, I'll tell you. Don't worry. That's I understood now.
Okay.
Yeah. Now 0,3.
Thank you.
How to represent 0,3? 0. X coordinate is 0. So watch 0 on x-axis. Y coordinate is 3. Watch 3 on y-axis. So 0,3 lies here. Okay. 0,3. X coordinate is 0. So 0 to be watched, 0 to be taken on x-axis. And y coordinate is 3. So 3 to be taken on y-axis. So 0,3 is this part. Okay. You got a point now. 6, 0. X coordinate is 6. 0 is y coordinate. So 6, 0 lies on x-axis. This is another point. Then 2, 2. 2, 2, it is easy to represent. It lies exactly 2 of x coordinate, y of y coordinate 2, where the 2 meet. Okay. A line passing through 2, a line passing through 2. You could observe, and they meet each other here. This is 2, 2. So 4, 1. X coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 1. So a line passing through 1 of y axis, a line passing through x axis 4, that number 4, they meet each other here. So x coordinate 4, y coordinate 1 we say. So 4, 1 is this. So 4, 1, 2, 2, and 0, 3, 6, 0. These are the points. Now, you got the points one by one. And
Sir,
a
sir,
line
you
is
took
passing through them.
Sir, you took 0,3 on y-axis. We can't take that on x-axis, sir.
No. If you take 0, 3 on x-axis, it is not 0, 3. 0, 3, x coordinate is 0 only on y-axis. Okay. X equals to 0 is the equation of y-axis. So any y-axis, a point lying on it will have its x coordinate 0. Is it clear, Gangadhar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if I take a point here,
Sir.
as I said, it is
Sir.
not 0, 3, it is 3, 0.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So
Sir.
any point lying on x-axis will have its y coordinate 0. That's why equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Okay.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah. Chandru, you wanted to speak something. You raise hand and take permission. That's a better option. Yeah, Chandru.
Sir, that you drawn line, sir, if you extended it and in that on that some points will be there, na sir.
Infinitely many number of points are there on that.
Sir,
On each and
coordinates
every
of that
point.
point can be
Yes.
the values of x and
Yes,
y, sir.
each and every point of that line is a solution for this equation. You can watch. You said 1, 2.5. Where is 1, 2.5? Here it is. You could observe that. It is 1, 2.5. It is a point. 3, 1.5. You can watch 3, 1.5. Where is 3, 1.5? Can you tell me? Okay. So 3, 1.5. See 3, 1.5. Here it is the point. Correct now? Are you observing?
Yes, sir.
So where is 10 comma 10 comma minus 2? So the moment you go to 10 comma minus 2 is going
Will
to be
come in
there in the third quadrant. It is going to be there on the third quadrant.
Fourth,
Okay.
sir.
Sorry. It is going to, yes, Prajwal, you are right. It is going to be there on the fourth quadrant. Okay.
Sir, we can do like this also, sir.
Hmm?
We can do it like this also, sir.
Okay. Okay. How? Tell me how. How, children? Tell me. How? Okay. Have you understood this concept? Let's move on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, remarks here. The reason that a degree 1 means power of the variable 1 of this equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is called linear equation. Why? Linear. Do you know the meaning of linear?
Straight line.
Straight line.
Linear. It's a straight.
Straight line.
Yes. See, watch the word line. It's a linear. Understood? Linear is the property of line. Okay. Property of line is straightness. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why we call this equation as a linear equation is because when it is represented on a graph on a Cartesian plane, its graph is or its geometrical representation is a straight line. That is the reason why
Sir,
it's called
how
linear
can we
equation.
present
Okay.
linear?
I'm not able to hear you, Chandru. Some maybe breaking your words. Tell me.
Sir, can we represent a linear equation in 3 variable also on
Yes,
Cartesian
linear equation in 3 variable can be represented on a not Cartesian plane in the space. It will be, since 3 variable comes, it won't be a Cartesian plane, it becomes the space. And what is the linear equation in 3 variable? It's a plane, not line. It's a plane. Okay, you'll come to know that in 11th standard. Now let's move on. Now, graph of a linear equation in 2 variables. To draw the graph of a linear equation in 2 variables, we need to draw a table to write the solutions of the given equation and then plot them on the Cartesian plane. Means plot means represent on a Cartesian plane those solutions in the form of an ordered pair. Next point, by joining these coordinates, we get the line of that equation. Just now you did that. Third point, the coordinates which satisfy the given equation lies on the line. The coordinates which satisfy the given equation lies on the line. And not only that, any point lying on that line is going to be a solution for it. So every point x comma y lie on the line is the solution. That is x equals to a, y equals to b. Okay. Every point x comma y lie on the equation. Sorry, here I supposed to say a and b. It is mistake. Every point a comma b on the line is the solution where in which we write x equals to a and y equals to b of that given equation. Is it clear? Here I made a mistake of typing a comma b supposed to be there. If you have understood, raise a put a thumbs up. Okay. Every point a comma b on the line is the solution of that given equation. So we call x equals to a and y equals to b the solution of that equation. So children, our
I not understood
meeting
that
ends in
third
5
point.
minutes. Our meeting ends in 5 minutes. Pardon?
Sir, I not understood that third point.
This third pointer, the coordinates
The coordinates.
which
Yes, sir,
satisfy
that
the
only.
given equation lie on the line of that equation, which means so far you understood now finding solutions.
Yes, sir.
So you found the solutions, those solutions will lie on the equation because they are satisfying the given equation now. You
Yes, sir.
found x value, y value, so that two values when they are substituted makes the given equation LHS equals to RHS. So those two, a pair of numbers, that is one for x and one for y, we call it as an ordered pair. They lie on the line because it is a solution. So every coordinates means pair of numbers, one for x, one for y. So the coordinates which satisfy the given equation, they lie on the equation. Just now you saw here, this 0,3 is coordinates. They are coordinates. We call x coordinate, y coordinate. Together they are called coordinates. So that 0,3 lies on this line. It is because it's satisfying the given equation. Have you understood, Shivam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have here that point is said this way. The coordinates which satisfy the given equation lie on the line of that equation. And fourth point is every point of a comma b on the line will be the solution. If a point lies on the equation, if a point lies on the line, it is the solution of equation. If two numbers, a pair of numbers are solutions for the equation, will lie on a line. Understood this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you have understood, thumbs up. Yeah. Now I'm going to show last point. Any point which does not lie on the line, it means that is not the solution. Okay. If any point does not lie on the equation, on the line, will not be the solution. Okay. So with this I have completed today's topic. Tomorrow I will teach example 5 onwards. Why? Because our meeting ends in maybe in 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. I am stopping
Yes, sir.
today's recording. Okay.